What if I told you you could build a fully automated AI trading bot in under 20 minutes by following this video without writing a single line of code yourself? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the framework in order to get Claude to build you this trading bot. We're going to go from a completely blank terminal to Claude actually choosing the tokens we're going to purchase, and we're going to be doing this on a test net before anything else. Once we have this built, next week, I'm actually going to be pitting Claude versus Grok versus ChatGPT to see who has the best investment advice, but today we're just building this investment bot. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this video because I'm coming out with a ton more Claude builds. Without further ado, let's dive in. Now, real quick, why is this even possible? Well, 3 years ago, building a trading bot meant that you had to learn Python, you had to exchange APIs, you had to program, and all of that kind of stuff. Now, Claude Code can write all of that for you as you just read and write along. The catch is most tutorials online either want to sell you their bot or skip the parts that actually matter. So we're not doing either of those. By the end of this video, you're going to have a framework here so your machine can plug into any strategy you want it to. And together we're going to put a placeholder strategy so we can just get this bot set up today. Next week, we're going to test different brains, so make sure you're following for that. All right, so the tools that you do need are as such. I personally use Cursor. Now, a lot of people use VS Code. There's no right or wrong answer, but first and foremost, I would download Cursor onto your computer. Next, I personally have a Claude Code subscription. Now, you might not be able to do this with just the free models, so you will need some sort of subscription to Anthropic here. And then lastly, where we're going to actually be doing the trading is on Hyperliquid. So we're going to sign up for their testnet, and we'll get into that process very shortly here. And that's about it. No special APIs, no incredible overcharges. We're just going to start building this bot and see where we go. So as I mentioned, one of the first things you're going to want to do is get Cursor onto your desktop. And as soon as Cursor's inside, it's extremely easy to get Claude Code starting to build for you. Now on the right-hand side here, you can see welcome to Cursor. And all I put was just how do I install Claude Code? And all it did was tell me these commands. It just dumped them into the actual terminal here in Cursor. And as we can see, we now have Claude Code and welcome with the email that you're logged into. Once this is all set up, we know we are ready to start building, but we also want to get the testnet and the API from Hyperliquid set up so Claude can have all of these things in together. All right, so we're going to be setting up our Claude Code with Hype. We're going to play in the crypto markets. We're going to see what Claude can do in some of those top 10 currencies. But first and foremost, before you're able to get a testnet, you must sign up to the actual mainnet and deposit at least $10 into the platform. As you can see here, I have about $8.30 that I deposited into. It is on the Arbitrum network, and you are going to have to put in USDC. I'm pretty sure you can send other currencies, but just make sure you're doing that all properly. You're going to go into deposit here and follow those prompts in order to get just the basic minimum set up in your wallet. It's also important to note that you must have the same wallet that you are signed up to the mainnet as the testnet. So if you're using your email, it'll give you a different wallet, whereas if you use MetaMask like myself here up in the extension here, I'm going to have the same wallet in both. Once we have some cash inside the mainnet, you're going to go under more and head to the testnet. Once in the testnet, you're going to sign in with that same wallet and claim your $1,000 mock USDC. You can now see in the top right, we are in the testnet here and we have about $1,000 to use. And so we are almost set up. We're just going to grab the API key and then we are ready to go. It's as simple as going under more, clicking API and setting up your API key here. All right, now let's get to some of the fun part. Let's start talking to Claude and start scaffolding out this bot for us. So we're going to make sure we are in terminal, we have Claude set up, and we have it set up in the folder we want to start building in. All right, now I just have a simple prompt. It's not very long, but it is going to tell Claude exactly what we want to do. We're just going to hit enter here. I want to build a fully automated crypto trading bot framework inside Python here, and here are the requirements. Now it is going to ask you a few questions that you just have to proceed with, and it will start building this all out. It should connect to Hyperliquid testnet using the official Python SDK. It should have a placeholder strategy because we're not there just yet. And we're going to also just keep walking through them, scaffold this. We will have to agree and create all of these things as we go. We're talking about position sizing here per trade. We're also talking about the risk limits. The bot should log every decision. It also should pull the sold price and so on and so forth. So we're going to let this just keep working. We're going to agree with it and let it start building out this bot for us. All right, and there we have it. We can now see the bot file, the env file, readme, install commands, and such more. And then it talks about the setup notes here. So now it says, get the testnet API wallet key from here. The private key goes into this private key space holder. You then want to fund the testnet account, which we already did by grabbing some of that faucet. And then to swap strategies later, we can always dive back into it. All right, we're gonna go into the API section here. We're going to name it. We're going to generate a wallet. We're going to copy that wallet as well as generate the API. Just make sure you're not pasting any of these keys in public because your accounts, even though they're testnet, can get drained and compromised. So always be hiding these and just place them directly into the files inside your cursor. Then we're going to then run the system. So we're going to do that inside the actual terminal of my computer. We can see that ripping right now. We already have a decision here. We're going to hold with no action. Then talking to Claude, we said it currently wants to hold and it says that's currently expected. It means the RSI is between there. So the strategy correctly says do not move. The bot will keep ticking every 60 seconds and only trade when the RSI crosses below 30 or above 70. We are now going to wait for all of this to start activating, start firing, and seeing if we can get any trades in order. This doesn't have any strategy like we've talked about before, and we will start adding the brain in future videos, but for now, we're just trying to get this to trade for us. Later, we might actually build out a platform to see all of our trades, to visualize them as well. Although Hyperliquid does do a decent job as of right now, we can track this for the next week or so. Now, one thing AI tutorials skip is risk, and this is huge because one bad move can basically blow your entire portfolio in one trade if your AI bot isn't set up with the right guardrails. You're going to want to make sure you have loss limits inside. So we're going to paste another prompt inside here that basically just says we're going to set up some loss limits. When the bot decides we hit a loss, everything stops. No revenge trades, no spiraling, restore to a threshold of 5%. And then you have the system that can't ruin once you're in a bad session. Now, as I mentioned, right now, this bot is running on a placeholder strategy. Next week, I'm gonna be taking this exact same framework and giving it different LLMs of the same prompt. Basically write me a system that will make me money, and I'm gonna see which LLMs do the best. So one AI brain should win, so make sure you're subscribed to see that coming out shortly. But a quick recap, what you've built today is a working AI controllable trading bot framework that runs on this testnet now. Anyone can plug in a strategy and test it. There's free tools. You didn't need to know how to code, and there's no real money at risk. 3 things I want you to do right now: hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week's journey. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this type of content. And lastly, I do have a Discord chat where we talk about trading all the time, and I do have these AI bots helping me find runners that reach the moon. Check out cryptocaptains.com. Until next time, guys, take care.